Hey guys, we are Global Advanced Developer and we are going to talk about to make a presentation for a project that is called Greenthumb. Greenthumb is like the application for the company that can provide technology solution for home gardeners to plan, manage and track their garden. Let's first start on this package. Our package is called Greenthumb as the name of our project. Here we import java.x.swing, we import java.x.awt also, we import java.awt.event. Let's continue for base main class. Our main class is called Greenthumb that extends JFrame. We use JFrame in our project. Here we have the component for the main window. We declare private G button that is called plan layout button, as you see here. We declare also private G button that is called select plans button, as you see here. We have also in our main class we have this constructor that is called Greenthumb also, as you see here. For this constructor we say title that is called Greenthumb Garden Planner. Greenthumb Garden Planner is the name for our main window. As you see here, our main window is called Greenthumb Garden Planner. This is the title. We set size also. We set default cross operation for that will allow us to close this main window. When we click here on this close, it is worked. When in our project we don't have the set default close operation, this close will not work. Let's outline our project. Okay. Let's continue here. We set the layout. We also have the label that is called welcome label. The welcome label is called welcome to Greenthumb Garden Planner, as you see here. Our label is used here in this. It is in pink color. Welcome to Greenthumb Garden Planner is where we use our label. We have the button that is called plan layout. Here the plan layout button is here. As you see, it is in blue color. For this button we add the action listener that we have that button to here. When we click on it, when we click on plan layout, you see it is worked. That is what action listener will help us.
Let's proceed with plan layouts. Plan layout button, new G button, plan layout. Plan layout is the name we have called our button. Plan layout button dot add action listen. This is the event we are going to set on our button. This action listener will help our button when we click on it to hear what's our button going to do, going to perform like this. Plan layout button dot set foreground. This is the color we are going to set back color to our button. It is blue. Select plant button dot new G button. Select this the second button we are going to use in our program. This is this button called select path. Select path, we have set it also action listener. Like how I said it before, this action listener will help our button to listen when we click it. We clicked on it. So thank you. And also we have set it foreground, which is called row. Let us continue to talk about the method. First method are called private void open layout planning windows. Second method are called private void open plant selection windows. Third method are main method that called public static void main string with square bracket and args. Okay, let's explain the first method. This first method for private void open layout planning windows is method that helps us to open the new window for layout planning. As you see here in this windows, if user press on plan layout, they will get this pop-up windows. That is the main function of using this open layout planning windows as method, because it has button for layout windows. Second method are called private void open plant selection windows. This method will help us to open the new windows for plant selection, and this plan windows is button that help user when click on select plant, they will get this pop-up window or new windows. Third method I called public static void main. This is the main method. This main method helps us to create try function. This try function helps us to create the UI manager that will help us to know how user interact and feel with this application.
Let me continue where my colleague has finished. I'm also group member of the group which is called the Advanced Developer. So we are going to talk about this public layout planning window. Its function is to set this frame, which is plain layout, as you can see. So when I click to the plain layout, we have this frame, which is plain layout. So we have inside this public class, we have the set title, which is plain layout. As you can see here in the output, we have the plain layout. We have also the function to set size, which is called set size. The width is 300 and the height is 200. As you can see, we have the length and width. This frame has the length and width. So we had also function which is called set layout, where instantiate the new flow layout function, as you can see. Also we have the G label, length label, instantiated the new G label as the length. As you can see, here pass to the label and text fields for dimension. We have the first one, which is called the length label. As you can see, we have it here in the output. So we have the text field of the length. Here the length field new instantiated the new text fields columns 10. As you can see, we have the length here. So also we have the G label of the width label, the new instantiated new G label text which is called the width. As you can see here, we have the width, and we have to add the function of add. We have to add the label, width label, and width label instantiate new G text field columns 10, as you can see. And also we have the function to add the width field, as you can see here in the output. So the next one I'm going to talk about, it is to draw the layout button. As you can see, we have here the draw layout button. So here are the codes to draw this button. As you can see, G button, the button they are talking about is this one, G button draw layout instantiated to the new G button. Also the values inside it's draw layout. As you can see, the placeholder is draw layout. The next one is this public void function, which is called action performed action event E. The event, it is what we supposed, the name E. And we have to declare the integer length, integer dot present integer length field gen text. And also we have int width integer plus present integer width get text. So we have also the G option pen dot show message dot dialog. As you can see here, we have the layout to draw with dimension length plus x plus width. We have also the function to add the draw layout button. As you can see, there are the button to draw the layout.
For me, I'm going to tell us how to select a prompt in our system. Here we create a button which is called back button with the name, with the value of back. Then next we add our button to action listener in order to make a back from our window. Then next we add back button to our frame. Then next we set the color of a button which have the color charm. Next we set the location of parent component. Then next we create a class which is called plant selection window, extends from G-frame. We open braces inside them. We create a component with a private component which is called G combo box with a string with the variable which is called plant list. Then we have another method which is called the plant selection window. Inside they have a G-frame with the argument which is called plant. Inside we open braces. We set the title of our window. Then next we set the size which help us how it look like. Then next we set layout the structure how our plant will be structured. And next we create an array which is called plants, which will be holding a list of our plant in the system. The next step we assign the G combo box with an item which is called plant to the plant list. Then we add our plant list to frame. The next step we can run and to see Yes, here we click here, select plant, and we can select different plant in our system. We have sunflower, we have orange roses. They are remaining in our system, and here we can make a back to from our
Let's continue with our last part of our project, and this is the code we are going to look together. They are uses and they are helping our project. Let's start with this line of add to garden button. This button help the user to add the plant in the garden. For example, let me learn this project and show how it works. When we open our project or we learn our project, we select plants. After selecting plants, for example, let's select oranges. After selecting oranges, when you click to add to garden, you will get the pop-up message tell that oranges are added to the garden, and this is how it works. Also, let's look how the next button works, which is back button. This back button help the one who is using our system or who is entering the plant in our system to go on the previous step. For example, when he or she wants to make a change, for example, when we learn our project, for example, when we select plant, for example, select cucumber. After selecting, and then he or she realize that he want to edit something, can click on the back button and go on the stats of our system, and that's how these codes help in our project.
Thank you all. That's how our project works. Thank you for your kindly attention.